In an era defined by climate change and escalating energy costs, solar panels have emerged as a beacon of hope. They offer a clean, renewable, and increasingly affordable way to power our homes. Harnessing the sun's abundant energy not only reduces our reliance on fossil fuels, but also shrinks our carbon footprint. This comprehensive guide will illuminate the path to choosing the right solar panels for your home, empowering you to make an informed decision for a brighter, more sustainable future. Solar panels are no longer a futuristic concept. They are a practical and accessible solution for homeowners seeking energy independence. By converting sunlight directly into electricity, solar panels provide a renewable energy source that can significantly reduce or even eliminate your monthly electricity bills. Moreover, solar energy systems require minimal maintenance and have a long lifespan, ensuring a reliable and cost-effective energy solution for years to come. Embracing solar energy is not just about saving money, it's about investing in a cleaner, more sustainable planet for generations to come. Solar panels, also known as photovoltaic (PV) panels, are composed of numerous solar cells that work together to generate electricity. These cells are made from silicon, a semiconductor material that exhibits unique electrical properties when exposed to sunlight. When photons from sunlight strike the solar cells, they knock electrons loose from their atoms, creating an electric current. This direct conversion of sunlight into electricity is the fundamental principle behind solar panel technology. The electricity generated by solar panels is direct current (DC), which is different from the alternating current (AC) used in most homes. To utilize this DC electricity, a solar energy system includes an inverter that converts it into usable AC power. This AC electricity can then power your appliances, lights, and other electrical devices. Any excess electricity generated by your solar panels can be fed back into the grid, earning you credits from your utility company through a process called net metering. Solar panels seamlessly integrate with your existing electrical system, providing a clean and reliable source of energy for your home. When it comes to solar panels, one size does not fit all. There are different types of solar panels available, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Understanding the key differences between these types is crucial for selecting the best option for your specific needs and circumstances. The most common types of solar panels include monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin-film solar panels. Monocrystalline solar panels are known for their high efficiency and sleek black appearance. Polycrystalline solar panels offer a balance of affordability and performance, making them a popular choice for residential installations. Thin-film solar panels are lightweight and versatile, making them suitable for unique applications where traditional panels may not be feasible. Each type of solar panel has its own efficiency ratings, cost considerations, and aesthetic appeal, allowing you to tailor your choice to your specific requirements and preferences. Monocrystalline solar panels are engineered for maximum efficiency. They are made from a single high-purity silicon crystal, which allows electrons to flow more freely, resulting in higher energy conversion rates. This efficiency makes monocrystalline panels an excellent choice for homeowners with limited roof space who want to maximize their solar energy output. In addition to their efficiency, monocrystalline panels are known for their sleek black appearance, which blends seamlessly with modern roof aesthetics. The uniform black color of monocrystalline panels stems from the use of high-purity silicon and the manufacturing process that aligns the silicon atoms in a specific direction. This alignment enhances electron flow and contributes to their higher efficiency. While monocrystalline panels are generally more expensive than other types, their superior efficiency and longevity make them a worthwhile investment for homeowners seeking long-term energy savings and a premium aesthetic. Their durability and resistance to degradation ensure that they will continue to generate clean energy for decades to come. Polycrystalline solar panels, also known as multicrystalline panels, offer a compelling balance of cost and performance. They are made from multiple silicon crystals melted together, which results in a lower manufacturing cost compared to monocrystalline panels. While their efficiency is slightly lower than monocrystalline panels, polycrystalline panels still provide a reliable and affordable way to harness solar energy. Their distinctive blue color sets them apart from monocrystalline panels, offering a different aesthetic for homeowners. The manufacturing process of polycrystalline panels involves melting silicon fragments together, which creates a less uniform structure compared to monocrystalline panels. This difference in structure contributes to their slightly lower efficiency. However, polycrystalline panels have improved significantly in recent years, narrowing the efficiency gap with monocrystalline panels. For homeowners seeking a cost-effective solar solution without compromising on performance, polycrystalline panels present an attractive option. Their affordability and reliable energy generation make them a popular choice for residential solar installations. Thin-film solar panels represent a departure from traditional silicon-based panels. They are made by depositing thin layers of photovoltaic material onto a substrate, such as glass, plastic, or metal. This thin-film technology allows for greater flexibility and versatility in terms of size, shape, and application. Thin-film panels can be integrated into building materials, such as roofing shingles or facades, creating a seamless and aesthetically pleasing solar energy solution. While thin-film panels generally have lower efficiency compared to monocrystalline and polycrystalline panels, they excel in specific applications. Their lightweight and flexible nature makes them ideal for curved surfaces, such as RVs, boats, and even backpacks. Moreover, thin-film panels perform better in high-temperature environments and can generate electricity even in low-light conditions. Although their efficiency may be lower, their versatility and unique applications make them a valuable addition to the solar energy landscape. Selecting the right solar panels for your home requires careful consideration of various factors. These factors include your energy consumption, roof size and orientation, local climate, and budget. By assessing your specific needs and circumstances, you can make an informed decision that maximizes your solar energy investment. Consulting with a qualified solar installer is highly recommended to ensure you choose the best panels for your unique situation. Efficiency ratings, maximizing energy output. Solar panel efficiency refers to the percentage of sunlight that is converted into electricity. Panels with higher efficiency ratings generate more electricity from the same amount of sunlight, making them ideal for homeowners with limited roof space. Monocrystalline panels typically have the highest efficiency ratings, followed by polycrystalline panels, and then thin film panels. When comparing efficiency ratings, it's important to consider the long-term performance and degradation rates of different panel types. Size and wattage, powering your home effectively. The size and wattage of your solar panels will determine the amount of electricity your system can generate. Larger panels with higher wattage ratings produce more power, but they also require more roof space. Your energy consumption habits and the size of your home will influence the size and number of panels you need. A solar installer can assess your energy needs and recommend an appropriate system size to meet your requirements. Location and climate optimizing solar energy generation. Your geographic location and local climate play a significant role in solar panel performance. Regions with abundant sunshine throughout the year will generate more solar energy than areas with frequent cloud cover. The orientation and tilt of your roof also affect the amount of sunlight your panels receive. South-facing roofs with a tilt angle close to your latitude generally optimize solar energy generation. However, even in less than ideal locations, solar panels can still provide significant energy savings. Conclusion: illuminating your home with solar energy. Choosing the right solar panels is a crucial step towards embracing a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. By understanding the different types of panels, their efficiency ratings, and the factors that influence their performance, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your energy needs and budget. Solar energy offers numerous benefits, including reduced electricity bills, a smaller carbon footprint, and energy independence. As technology continues to advance and costs continue to decline, solar panels are becoming an increasingly attractive option for homeowners worldwide. Investing in solar energy is not just about saving money, it's about investing in a brighter future for generations to come. By harnessing the power of the sun, we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, combat climate change, and create a more sustainable world. Take the first step towards a brighter future by exploring the possibilities of solar energy for your home. Contact a qualified solar installer today to discuss your options and embark on a journey towards energy independence and environmental responsibility.